Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Oreo biscuits are a treat, be it in milkshakes or ice creams. Today, we are going to make a simple and delicious Oreo cake. Please check the description below for the ingredients and the recipe. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first. In a bowl, add 2.5 cups of flour. Always sift the flour to avoid lumps. Add 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder and mix well. In a mixer, add 1 cup of unsalted butter. Beat well till it's soft and fluffy. Add 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract or vanilla sugar, and beat well. Add 4 eggs and beat them till soft. Now add the dry ingredients and half cup of milk into the mixer little by little, beating in between. Add desired Oreo biscuit pieces into the cake batter and mix with a spatula. Pour the cake batter into a 24 cm greased cake pan. Spread the batter uniformly in the pan. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Check if the cake is baked properly by inserting a toothpick or a knife. For the whipped cream frosting, in a bowl, add 2 cups of whipped cream and beat well. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar. Crush few Oreo biscuits and mix them. Assembling the cake. Place the cake and apply the Oreo cream frosting on the top and the sides of the cake. Smoothen the frosting. Decorate the cake with Oreo cream and half Oreo biscuits on the top and sides of the cake. Delicious Oreo cake is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.